Designed in India, made in Australia. The CNM-5 is the first Indian plane jointly developed by CSIR NAL, a government lab, and Mahindra Aerospace, a private company. It can fly 5 people or serve as an air ambulance or goods carrier. You could buy one for about 2 crore rupees.
We can connect our northeast. We can connect Jorhat to Silchar, Silchar to Agartala. You imagine how difficult it is. So therefore, we can go across Brahmaputra. We can go to Andaman Nicobar. So we can really make a big difference for the country.
This is the Saras. Originally designed as a 14-seat civilian passenger plane, it flew first in 2004 and hundreds of times after that. But a crash in 2009 killed all 3 crew members and almost grounded the project.
The committee which went through the incident has totally ruled out any technical defects or shortcomings, and it's only now a matter of time to get this aircraft back into the air.
A new Saras prototype will be ready late next year, and the plane is to start commercial production in 2014. But this time it will serve the military. The Indian Air Force wants 15 planes to train their transport pilots. A separate 90-seater regional transport aircraft for civilians is currently being designed. It will cost more than 7,000 crore rupees to perfect and is to be made in collaboration with private industry.
How do we make it fuel efficient? How can we have least carbon footprint? How can it make it run in a shorter runway? How can this be efficient in connecting our northeast and hopping flights? So, there are challenges.
If you look at all modern aircraft today, they are highly software intensive. And today, as you know, a lot of software for not only India, but for many companies all over the world, even in aeronautics, is being developed and built in the country. It is possible that we will be able to leverage these skills to develop a cost-effective aircraft for the civilian sector in a time-bound manner.
But made in India won't always mean cheap. The Saras in its civilian avatar cost almost 40 crore rupees per plane, when comparable foreign machines cost 12 to 26 crore. While both China and Indonesia made regional transport jets 10 years ago, they guzzled fuel and failed because of rising fuel costs. With Abir VP in Bangalore, in New Delhi, I'm Jayamon Joseph.